give some tips on how to preserve your floral arrangements. Easy. You want to take a vase, and the general rule, you use a quart of water with 3 drops of bleach and a teaspoon of sugar. So what I do, I prep my florals. I cut the stems on a diagonal. I remove any excess leaves that I don't want because I don't want them falling all over the place. And what I do, I take a stopper and I add 3 drops of bleach. That way your water won't turn these crazy colors. You won't have bacteria floating in the water, and the flowers will last longer. And to give them food, add the teaspoon of sugar. Take your flowers and just place them into your vase. And there you have it. A simple way to preserve your flower, especially on Valentine's Day. And I use this actually all year round. Birthday flowers, Christmas flowers, and flowers I just get through the year.